Hey guys, welcome back in new video. In this video, I am going to throw the farm birds basket I have. So guys, this is water tub. Wow guys, white duck. I throw in the tub. White duck guys, and orange color cock guys. Big size orange color cock. And guys, big size duck. And guys, next small size duck guys, beautiful small size duck. Green color duck guys, small green color duck. And guys, next yellow color hen, small size hen. And guys, small size cock. And guys, next is duck, small size duck, mini duck, beautiful duck. And guys, turkey, beautiful turkey guys.